In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to your Hostinger website builder. This process is straightforward, but having a clear guide will ensure you don't miss any important steps. Hostinger is known for its user-friendly interface and robust features, making it a popular choice for hosting services. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hostinger website by entering the URL hpanel.hostinger.com into your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so by entering your login details. Once you're logged into the Hostinger panel, you'll be greeted with the home page, which serves as your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, look for the account section. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to your account management. This step is crucial as it takes you closer to configuring the administrative settings for your website. Next, you'll want to click on the Account Sharing tab. This option is designed for managing permissions and controlling who has access to your account. It's an incredibly handy feature for teamwork or collaborative projects where multiple users need varying levels of access. So, go ahead and click on it to open the sharing settings. Once you're within the account sharing settings, your next move is to click Grant Access. You might need to scroll a bit to locate it, but it's usually found on this page. Clicking on Grant Access opens the menu that allows you to set permissions for different roles. This is where you begin to assign administrative privileges. After clicking that, you're met with another menu option to specify the type of access you want to grant. At this stage, click on Admin. By doing so, you're selecting the administrative role for the new user, granting them access to manage various aspects of the site. It's important to be sure when choosing this role, as it provides comprehensive access to site configuration and settings. Then you'll be prompted to click on Manage Services. This step ensures that the administrator can oversee important site services, facilitating smoother operational management for your website. Choosing this option ensures that the admin has complete visibility and control over key services, enhancing the collaborative workflow. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an admin user to your Hostinger website, helping you streamline website management and enhance collaboration. These steps will ensure that your team's roles are clearly defined, enabling efficient website administration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have further questions, feel free to check Hostinger's extensive support documentation or reach out to their customer service team for more support.